Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Jira API token. First, go ahead and log into your Jira account. Once in, on the top right corner, click on your profile and go to your account settings. After that, on the upper ribbon, go to security. And here, under API tokens, you have the option to create and manage API tokens. Now you just have to enter your 8-digit verification code to proceed. After that, you can now go ahead and create API token. Here, just name your token, then choose an expiry date. Once done, click on create. And there you have it. You now have your API token that you can copy and use. And that's just it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorial.